Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're like me and you really love your morning coffee, you're gonna absolutely love this coffee mug warmer set. This is from Ikago and it comes with everything you need to keep your coffee at the optimum temperature. This eliminates the need to be rewarming your coffee in the microwave, which really doesn't give you the best results. So this is a way to keep it nice and warm, and it will also reheat it for you if you let it get too cold. So what it comes with is the base unit, which is the heating element, as well as like a coaster. And you plug this into the wall. You'll notice that here is an infrared thermometer that is going to detect the temperature of the outside of your mug. And then on this end, there is a sensor, so that knows that there is a mug in place. Once you take the mug off, it's going to shut off, which is a really nice safety feature as well. It comes with a mug, a 15-ounce mug, which is really cute. Even comes with a little cover and a stainless steel spoon. But you can also use this heating device with your own ceramic mug as well. So this can heat and maintain your coffee or beverage of choice up to 175 degrees and hold it there. And it will also reheat really quickly. So even if you take it off of the coaster and you walk around with your coffee and then you're ready to reheat it, you can pop it on and in just a couple of minutes is back up to the temperature that you want. And you can set your temperature by the degree, so you can really specify what temperature you want for your drink. The screen makes it really easy to see the current temperature of your drink and also your goal temperature. It's also really easy to adjust with the plus and minus buttons on the top. So overall, it is super simple to use and really, really functional. I would highly recommend this beautiful mug set. I think it's an awesome product. It works really great, and that's my point of view.